In this video, I will show you how to install Git on your macOS. So for this, at first you will open a browser and simply search download Git for macOS. Then you will go to this website. You can see here, you will see this interface. Git is free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from a small to very large project with speed and efficiency. Okay, to install Git on your macOS, here you can see a button download for Mac. You will simply click here and now you will land to this page. Here you can see Windows tab. So if you are using Windows, you can go with this tab, and here macOS tab, then Linux and build from source. Okay. So as we are going to install Git on macOS, we'll click this tab macOS, and you can see here there is no dedicated IDE to install. So what you will have to do here, you will have following options to install Git on macOS. First one is you can use Homebrew to install Git by following this command, and then you can also use Macport to install Git. Here, Xcode command line tool is available, so you can also use that. So the easiest way is you need to install Homebrew, then you can just command this brew install Git, then you can able to install Git. Okay, so let me show you. You will take a new tab, simply search Homebrew, and then go to homebrew.sh. Here you will find this script. You will copy this, and now you will open your terminal. So this is my terminal. I will paste this script and let me press enter. It requires password. You will provide your password here, and then let me press enter. So you can see, press enter to continue. We will press enter, and now you can see right now Homebrew is installing on your machine, and it takes few seconds to complete. Okay, it's done. Everything is complete. Now we'll close this tab and back to this website. Here we'll copy this command and then open a terminal again. Simply paste it here. So using brew, we will install Git. And if I press enter now, you can see, would you like to proceed with the installation? Yes, we're gonna proceed. So we'll type Y here, and now you can see it's done. So everything is very fast. You can just download it properly. And let me clear this terminal. And to verify it, you can simply command git space dash dash version. And if you press enter, now you can see, so Git version is 2.50.1, and we successfully installed Git by following this way. If you face any problem, just leave a comment. I will just try to help you.